Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. So whenever you receive text message, if you look on your lock screen and you're seeing all of those messages showing even the text, then I'm going to show you how to keep those private. So what you want to do, just simply go to settings on your iPhone and scroll all the way down until you find notifications, right? So you're going to look for notifications in the list, and once you find it, click on that. Now scroll all the way down until you find messages and click on that. Scroll down towards the bottom and you will find an option that says show previews. It might say always, but you want to tap on that, and here you want to click on never. And so from now on, whenever you receive SMS or whatever text message you receive on your phone, it could be for an app, it could be from a social media application or messenger or whatever, even an SMS, the message will no longer show with content, but it will only show that you receive a message. And that's it, guys. So that's how you hide your text message on your iPhone lock screen. Very easy and very simple.